Variegated talisay, tap-tap liwat. Guys, may napulot silang uwak. Galing dun sa pugad. Ito po yung tusino namin, guys. Bravo! Hi everyone! Welcome back again to our channel. It's me again, Michelle Fox, and welcome to our content. So I'll just let you relax and hear the sound of the nature. And so I have decided not to hire a writer anymore because that's another expenses. So I just need to improve it myself on how I talk in English so my international viewers can understand. So today, Ruben have been. Bahala na kayo. Basta, every day is a quiz day. I will just always give you a multiple choice. So it's for you to choose whether what to use the word together to combine together. And later on, a few minutes ago, I was just going to give the food to the fish. Yes, so they were full. They're always full because they always drink water. Wale. So after I feed all the fish I second demotion feed all the members of the team building.
Kain tayo. Alam namin ngayon, bangus. Bangus with rice, diba?
Kain po tayo. Iba ang trabaho naman namin ngayon. Kasi kailangan na matapos yung ano na ni Ma'am Michelle doon sa labas project. Kami ang magtatapos. Silang nagumpisa, kami ang tatapos. Thank you for watching!
So hi guys, good morning. Welcome again to our channel. So today is a manpower day kasi pina-installan ko na kila John Lester, Leo, and Kevin yung side ng facing sa kapitbahay na wall kasi para may privacy yung ating cafe. And kami naman ni Ruben is gagardening ulit and may i-accommodate lang kami na guest. Thank you so much for always supporting the Ala Nature Stream. So ayun, stay tuned. Yung nagreklamo po sa tusino po namin, shout out sa'yo. Ito po yung tusino namin, guys. Yan, dami-dami pong order. Gusto ko rin sana i-shout out yung mga umu-order po, Huwag kayong mag-order kung hindi nyo ubusin. Kasi yung rice namin marami. Kailangan pag-order kayo, pag-isipan nyo muna kung mauubos nyo ba o hindi. Kasi big serving. Ika na. Serve na tayo. Tapos yung mga nagsasabi po na hindi po namin kinikling wrap yung pagkain. Kinikling wrap po guys pag malalayo ang scissor gun. Pero pag dito lang sa dining, hindi na po namin kinikling wrap. Sabi mo, namin nagbilang. Nanonood ako ng batang, tapos ang dami ko nagsasabi. Ay, nag-camera. I was just explaining side by side because there has been complaining about our serving about the tocino something else like that. So I was just explaining it to the viewers. Ang tsaka ng English ko eh.
So yun guys, magtatanim tayo ngayon ng pinya para sa sunod na henerasyon mayroon tayong aanihin. Henerasyon. Tsa. Tara.
And now one of the member, Ruben, is going to plant some pineapple that I bought from Dudong some other time. You know, it's the best weather today to plant and gardening and more plants to come out. That's why we don't need to buy any more pineapple in the future. Ngayon, magtatanim ako. May binigay sa akin si Tita Pasita. And now I'm going to plant all the cuttings that gives me of the mother of Creamer Ford. Birds of Paradise. Guys, meron kami ng cherry blossoms. Palawan cherry blossoms. Kaso ang tagal mamulaklak. But before that, I have to manage all these plants branches because it feels so annoying. It looks so annoying because of the more branches. So I'm now managing it to make it just like circle motion. And also I also cut all the talisay, African talisay, so it will focus growing up to the sky. Ganda ng rambutan. So, parang focus siya dyan. Pero yung nataas. And I also told Ruben to cut the rambutan tree so it will gives branches, many branches, so it will fruit come out soon. Yan. Kasi para ito tumaas. Hindi makataas-taas kasi ang dami niyang sinusupplyan sa baba. Paura ka pa di ikaw mataas. Yoing! Enjoy nila kung pinag-tap. I also removed all the branches that going to the ground because so that the plant it will focus going up. Yeah. Ay siya nataas. Ano ini? Patun ka mga comment section. Yung mga agriculture dyan, comment below nga guys kung tama yung ginagawa ko. Yan. Ay, Diyos ko ito magsala. Ito tuloy-tuloy na yan. And I followed clean my mangosteen tree. I hope it will go fast sooner and later. And now I'm going to plant all the cuttings that Creamer Ford's mother gave it to me, and now I'm spreading it. I'm spreading out. Wala talaga silang masipsip na ugat. Babe, I miss you. Nagkalutaw yung isda? Water lily. Kanina kapag sino? And now my business partner is being clingy to me. Oh my gosh. He's giving my mouth a fruit and I taste it so well.
Aw, susubuan.
Patay ko man diri para botak
Bunti nga. Mag-aok din mga pato.
Pino nga ano, bumamilap.
Ay, glabog guys.
Dap!
Guys, tanggal na dyan. So yan, hinatanggal ko na to. Ang pangit na. Hindi na bagay sa landscape. And I also told Ruben to remove some old bananas there so that it will looks good, more clean. Housekeeping time. So I always told them to clean, clean, and clean. So all the guests will love it.
sa bawah Cece.
Thank you. Sexy ba? Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you po. Thank you.
Suplihan pa po.
Ayaw na lang kurot na supi. Oh, ayaw na lang ito na.
I just want to say thank you to all the guests who have been being supported, and we really appreciate it so much. God bless you all, Mom, Sir. And our team, Leo, Kevin, and John Lister is now busy installing all this bamboo to the wall so that we have privacy at our unit.
Punta na dito si Sir Dig. Kailangan na matapos.
So ayan guys, ito na yung update sa ating unit dito sa taas. Ina-install na to guys. Kukulangan na dahil, hindi damo pa ingat to. Sa tingin nyo, sa no? So, hanggang dito yung lalagyan kasi para may privacy dito. Ikaw pag ngayon na ng balay nyo may ganyan. Sili. Hindi na lang kami na. Pwede ang touch. Ganda. Tubig na lang yung kulang.
Guys, may nagpapapicture na kay thank you for watching. Aming matapos to ngayon, araw na to. Kasi masyadong mainit. Yung panahon, hindi laban ha. Magulong! Karton ng tao ka, nagpalit na tip ng mga
And it's lunchtime, and of course, we always give them the best food that we can.
Guys,
Siya na to.
mingot to kita guys.
Guys, kain tayo.
Sarap ang ulam na. Karni.
Guys, kain na guys!
Thank you, Lord, for all the blessings that we
Nice.
have in every day and tomorrow. Dito ka ka baby.
Italay ano hadto ni alawa.
And here's another update of our another project. Now they're doing the hollow blocks, putting it to the wall to make it the wall better and stronger. Some will find it annoying that I'm Englishing. Yes, that's okay. I just want to practice my English performance, and hopefully soon or later it will make me more confidence and make it more professional tone by tone, time by time. And it's better because nowadays AI is there, GPT is there, and the Gemini is there. So they can help you find and analysis to what is I am saying. Guys, may napulot silang uwak. Galing dun te sa ano, sa pugad. Yung, ay, ang galing. Ang galing naman.
Tanaw ko nini pa lang.
Nahulog doon yung mga pinaputulan guys ang niyog. Yung mga uwak dyan ang pupugad. So what I was saying, the coconut has cutted and then the crow mother has hatched there, and then that baby crow is flying go down. And then later on, we will just leave it there at the center of the land so that the mother will see him. I don't know the gender yet. Pa-x-ray ko to guys. Comment below kung saan dito pwede magpa-x-ray ng ano. Papatingin ko yung legs niya. Ba't hindi nagmo-move? Hindi nag... Ano ka? Tagin ano daw la ini?
I love you. I love you.
Ano lang to pong ito, Mbe?
Isda. 5th century tuna! Kain ka? Kain ka. Ang bait niya. Wak! 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 Para sa akin to. Ganun yun eh. Pag destiny.
Mahaw noy. Lang. Uy. Eat na. Eat. Eat.
Sakto ano din.
And then later on that day, LGU Sanhori has been arrived. And then they were arranging because the next day they will have their event. And thank you so much to all the members, Tourism's office and LGU Sanhori. Thank you so much for the support, and we really appreciate it so much, especially to Disa. Thank you very much for the support. Love you. God bless. Kasi entrance pa lang. Wow. So, kailangan natin ay mag-prepare. I also helped to cut the plants to look it more professional. to look it more comfortable. To look it more appealing. Kada mo tutod kan ada pwede ilaro.
Fresh mo, no? Gusto magpulot na. Kasi touch ka or...
Natural lang yan. And now my business partner is being clingy to me again. Oh my gosh. Don't fall. Don't fall to me. Don't fall. I don't fall to you. After we arrange and clean all the plants and trim all the plants, some plants, and now we are going to arrange this firewood to make it more picturesque. Firewood kasi ito yung spot dito yung madalas marami ng picture.
Vlog 800.
Wow, bonfire! Guys, display lang po yan ha. Bravo! Love it. Okay, I have to go and I'll see you again in our next episode. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Love ya!